Welcome to TechBuzz. Many of you must have faced this issue once in a lifetime that you forgot the password of your Android phone and got logged out and don't have any option to unlock your phone. It may be due to many reasons, but it's a really frustrating situation. In this video, I will show you how to unlock your Android phone using your PC in just 5 minutes. So for the screen unlock, we will use Wondershare Doctor Phone app. The screen unlock is a part of this app and it's available for both Windows and Mac PC. The link of the app is mentioned in the description below. You can check the details from the link. Wondershare Doctor Phone Toolkit is a really helpful and feature-rich app and can help you to get out of some really tricky situations on your phone. Although this app is not free, but it's worth of every penny, as you can use Wondershare Doctor Phone for various tasks like phone backup, switch data between devices, WhatsApp data transfer, repair software issues, and finally for unlocking your phone. In some cases, it can unlock your phone without data loss, and there are some phones that are supported. When you select the unlock screen option, you will be welcomed with 3 options. For now, I'll select the unlock Android screen. Next, you have to connect your phone to the PC using the USB cable. As soon as the device is connected, the software will verify for your phone model, download the configuration file, and will decide whether your phone needs to be wiped out to bypass the lock screen. As I had mentioned earlier, some phones can be unlocked without erasing the phone. So the process is completed and I have to erase my phone in order to bypass the lock screen and may require my Google details after resetting the phone. So I'll go ahead by clicking on unlock now. So on this screen, the Doctor Phone app will display the procedure to follow in order to put your phone into recovery mode. The procedure may vary depending on your phone model and the software will guide you accordingly. So in my case, my phone can be switched off directly by pressing the lock button and then selecting switch off. But in some phones like Samsung phones, you can't directly switch off your phone when it's locked. So you have to press the lock and volume down buttons till the phone gets switched off. Once your phone is turned off, press and hold the lock and volume buttons till the phone logo appears, and after that leave the lock button but keep pressing the volume button. Once you have entered into recovery, leave the volume button as well and click next on the Doctor Phone app. So the next steps are displayed on the screen, and on your phone in the recovery mode, you can scroll through menus using the volume buttons and select the wipe data option using the lock button. Then it will ask whether you want to erase your phone. Go ahead and press the lock button and the formatting process will start on the phone. Once the process is complete, go back to the main menu and reboot your phone. So now your phone is back to factory settings as it was bought new. Now you have to just set up your device by the regular method. And if you had backed up your device earlier on the cloud or using the Doctor Phone app, you can restore the data once the phone has been set up, so you will not lose any important data. But keep one thing in mind that some phones may have different interface for the recovery, and although the procedure will be same on all the phones, just the looks of the menu may vary. Don't forget to follow the on-screen instructions to avoid any mistake, as if you select any other wrong option, it may delete the partition or operating system of your phone and you will land up in a big trouble. So the setup is finally complete and the phone has booted up to the home screen. We have successfully bypassed the lock screen in just a few minutes, so you don't need to visit the service center to unlock your phone. You can do it yourself easily using the screen unlock feature of the Wondershare Doctor Phone app. You can download the app from the Wondershare Doctor Phone site. The link is mentioned in the description below. You can either buy a lifetime license of screen unlock or a yearly license as per your need. If you have any doubt regarding the Doctor Phone app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.